crushing in the pressing. You are making new wine in the storyline. Now surrender. You are breaking new ground. So I yield to you and to your careful hand. When I trust you, I don't need to understand. Make me your vessel. Make